Good morning. Welcome back to the Little New Homestead. Today is Monday, April the 10th, and I believe warmer weather is on its way. With the warmer weather on its way, I thought I'd go ahead and remove a lot of this plastic sheathing off the chicken coop today. Basically just a windbreak, and it worked real well during them cold days we had. I'm not going to remove all of it, just some of it in various spots. It also helps to keep the blowing rain out of it. I think we can go ahead and open up this window a little bit. And then I'll go ahead and remove these windows that are covered with plastic. They still have hardware cloth behind them. For now, I'm going to go ahead and leave that plastic on the lower half that faces the north. I don't think I'm going to be needing that heated base for the water drinker, so I might as well get that out of here as well. What are you doing up there? Get out of there. Go on now. Get out of there. So last year I had the problem with several of the hens sleeping in the nest box here. So I closed it up to try to break them of that. I still have 4 other nest boxes in the coops, and they're not sleeping in it. So I'm going to go ahead and uncover this one, get some straw in it, and see if they'll start using it without sleeping in it. So I really like these nest boxes. I'll get some straw put in there, and hopefully the chickens go back to using them real soon. and not be sleeping in them. There we go. So pretty much everything is opened up now, and the coop and the run are able to breathe again. Here in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be manually closing that lady's first chicken door. I'm going to be turning the small run and the small coop over here into a brooder for the baby chicks I got coming. Of course, there's a nest box in here, and it's one of their favorites. So I guess they'll have to get used to laying in one of the other nest boxes. Hopefully by removing that plastic sheathing, chickens will be more comfortable as it starts to warm up. I don't guess she saw the no vacancy sign. Nest boxes are all full up. Well, it's time to head to work. I called in this morning with a flat tire, said I was running late. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time here at the It'll Do Homestead. Have a good day, everybody.